Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick pickle or achar that you can have with khichdo, you can have with so many other dishes. This is really a quick one, it's very simple and it's delicious. So let's get started. This is a super simple recipe. What we're gonna do is, honestly, I don't use measurements for this, so this is just gonna be how, I'm just gonna give you an idea of how much I'm putting in, but then it's all going to be on, you know, the taste test and how you wanna cater to your family. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil here. And once this oil comes to temperature a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon of ginger and garlic. Now, this is my mom's recipe and she does not use ginger and garlic. But honestly, whenever I've made it, I love, you guys know from my past videos that I love ginger and garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it. So this is totally, again, up to you how you wanna cater this. If you wanna make it, if you want to put the ginger and garlic in there, that's totally fine. If you choose not to, that's totally fine as well. So I just want this to come a little bit to temperature. And then what I want to do is I want to add my green chilies in here. Now, you can make your green chutney at home. I have a recipe for the green chutney on my YouTube. You can watch that if you like. Or you can just grind up green chilies. Honestly, you can use anything. Cholula also has a really nice green chutney or sauce as well. It's really good. You can use that as well. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some paprika, some lemon pepper, some Cajun seasoning, and some cumin. And these are all powders. I like to cook that just a little bit just to really get that depth of flavor out, okay? So put that, just mix that all together really well. Next, I'm gonna add some sambal in there, which is the chili garlic sauce. I think you can get 2 varieties in there. It's either the garlic chili sauce or the chili garlic. I love the chili garlic. Just gonna mix that. It already smells amazing. So now here I did about 6 carrots and about 2 mangoes. And the mangoes that I put in were the raw ones, like really raw mangoes. And I put them in the food processor and I just kind of grind them up a little bit. But at this time, I'm gonna shut off my stove because I don't want to add, but I did do a big blunder. I did forget to add my tomato paste in there. So what I'm gonna do is when you're doing it, add your tomato paste when you add the sambal in so you can cook that up a little bit. My apologies, but so I'm just gonna add it, but I don't wanna turn my stove on, and the reason for that is I don't wanna cook up the carrot and the mango mixture. So I usually like to cook up the tomato paste. Just, you know how I am, I always have that, I like to cook it up so that you can get the raw flavor of the tomato paste out, but for today it should be okay. I'll go ahead and add a little bit more in here. And you want to shut the stove off because, again, like I said, you don't want to cook the carrots and the mangoes. This is just, you don't want to do in the beginning, you want to cook up the vegetable, the spices and all that. Once it's ready, that's when it's time to shut off the stove and add the mango and the carrots. This really goes well with a lot of dishes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning in there. And some lemon pepper. If you don't have lemon pepper, no problem. Just add some lemon juice in there. Okay. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are going to do a taste test. I don't know how we got it, but it's spot on. It tastes so good. And I'm just gonna add the rest in there just because I don't want to save it. Okay, so this is all ready to go. So now I'm just gonna put this in our bowl and get it ready for serving. So here we have it all done. Honestly, it's really, really delicious. If you can get the sweet, the sour, and the spicy combination in, oh, it's delicious. It can also be eaten with just bread, butter, and this in the middle, and it would be a great lunch. So thank you for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.